Let's build a Gentle Monster inspired gaming PC together. I completely customized this case to match the Gentle Monster Bratz collection, so let's build a PC in it. Let's start by installing the Ryzen 9 9900X into the motherboard. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this. All right, so I've got the old frame out. Now to install this CPU. This actually, once you install it, helps keep the thermal paste out of the little grooves on the AMD CPU, which you can see mine has a ton of goop because I reused the CPU from a different build. Okay, normally you can just like drop it straight in, but I have nails. Okay. All right, so I've never installed one of these solid processor frames before, so let's go ahead and give it a try. You technically don't need this on AMD, but it matches the build perfectly. We're twinning. So cute. It matches my nails too. Let's install this now. Whoa, it fits together so nicely. Here, let me screw it in before I just break the whole thing. All right, so now we have to screw in the new processor frame with these screws that came with the box, or like the screws that came with the processor frame. Look at it, so pretty. It fits together so nicely. All right, let's do the rest of the build. These screws for the SSD are super tiny. I think I might need a different bit. Let's see if this one. Oh no, this does work. Oh, there's like a little cable connecting this fan right here to the motherboard. So make sure you peel off the little peely. I have a 1 terabyte MSI SSD. There it is. It's time to install the RAM. Today I have 32 gigabytes of Trident Z Royals. These are the gorgeous, like chrome looking ones. Today for the cooler, we have the MAG CORELIQUID A13. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this. Ugh. We're also gonna want to remove these so that we can actually screw the cooler on. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It looks so naked. Let's get ready to toss it into the case. All right, so I also 3D printed these little, they're kind of like pegboard holder things, but to put my glasses on the case, so it can really be like Gentle Monster themed. Oh, look at it, it's so cute. All right, let's open up all the panels on this. Just pops open like that. These side panels also just come off, they're magnetic. Finally, the back panel. All right, and now we're left with this empty case that we can install the motherboard into. And this actually pops off. This pops off and you can actually swap it or just turn it around to make it straight again. I made this one to fit the theme. It's very glittery. Wait, that's actually so cute. You guys, I cooked. Now, we just need some cable management, install the GPU, and we'll pretty much be done. The chrome matches the build so well. We're gonna wanna make sure this little clip is open, And then there should be 2 screws right here. Now we just have to carefully install this. All right, that's everything. It's time to just pop the panels on and see if it turns on. But we have one finishing touch. I do want to put the doll in here so it looks just like the toy box. Oh my gosh, me and twin. I'm like kind of scared that her hair is gonna get stuck in the fans, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. Yay, the build is done. I'm so happy. All right, let's try to turn it on. Whoa, we did it. And here is the finished build. Let me know what you guys think and follow for more aesthetic PC building videos.